Oh, delicious apple. Wait, it's got tiny bite marks. Hope it's not that vampire bunny again. Wait, I think it was a cat burglar. It's a perfect match. So that's that. So's that. And that. Guess there's no such thing as a perfect crime. Powdering your nose? Hey, what's that noise? Oh no! Someone left the bathtub running! Quick, grab the cat and run! We turned off that faucet, right? Oh, it's just not safe for a cat these days. Good, we found dry land. Let's just try to get situated for now. We need essentials. Like phones, obviously. Oh no, swipe. Yes, buy that. Wow, what a quick delivery. You must have given a good tip. Of course, nothing beats a DIY project. Duct tape, as handy as it is sticky. And soon, you've got a cat house too. It's time for a lipstick break. I didn't mean like that. But it is a nice color. How about we spread the love? This is why you never skip lip day. Ooh, pretty. And the final touch, Hello Kitty. As for you, well, you got an apple. Ooh, it's got a worm, a gummy worm. Yum. Jealous? Well, you should be. Because when you've got an apple, you can make yourself a new stamp. Look, a cat's paw. Add some paint. Now gimme paw, and keep it coming. Oh, she's got a money gun with a full tank. Come on, spread the wealth. Show us the money. Who knew roofing jobs were so pricey? Let's add a new roof to your to-do list, too. Hey, these little squares are just what we need. Line them in a row like little shingles. And look, it looks just like a rainbow. Well, kinda. Hey, got any spare change? Let's stretch it out. Oh, we can go bigger than that. Wow. You know, they do say that money opens doors. But we're going for the direct approach. How are you gonna keep the cold out? Ah, once again, the swamp provides. And look, it's practically a perfect fit. You're never fully dressed without a crown. So, let's take some selfies. But we know who's the real queen of the castle. It's Kitty. But who needs a crown when you've got socks? Sure comes in handy if you want privacy. Maybe you should go inside? Whoops! But first, she likes to make an entrance. Fox Butler, you know the drill. It's time to strut your stuff on the red carpet. Come on, strike a pose. smile for the camera. And sorry, she doesn't do autographs. But if that's got you seeing red, you just need a few more colors. Now let's get stepping. How about we speed things up? Now you can always go over the rainbow. Uh-oh, you're locked outside. Well, we can make something to help. And I don't think that's a doorknob. Add a cover and some numbers. And we've got a payment terminal. Oh, you need to insert your card. And you're in. But that rat's a different story. Don't worry. Some cheese will distract him. But we don't want to scare him off. He's gonna be our new doorknob. So let's take a look inside. Pink walls? Cute, but we can do better. Fox Butler, we need some pink fur. Besides, this'll get your legs summer ready. Now let's staple it on the walls. Let's skip ahead. Much better. How about you? Any decorating ideas? Oh, good idea. Ivy. Hopefully not the poison kind. Ooh, that's one tough plant. Oh, I think it likes you. Well, now let's hang it on the wall. It's like your very own indoor garden. Next, we could use some toys. It must take a lot to impress her. Like our silver platter special, a giant teddy bear. Add a pillow, and he's the best seat in the house. Let's have a snack break. Peppers. Careful, that one packs a punch. Great, those were his best jeans. Well, now it can be his best pillow. Stuff it up with all these stuffed toys. It's the stuffed helping the stuffless. This would be such a proud moment if only he was still wearing pants. Next up, we'll need a baby mobile. Don't worry, she can cover it. I guess everyone has their price, even babies. Now just hang it up and enjoy. Oh, what's in the box? Roaches? Well, at least we've got the box. And a few other things to keep inside. Make some holes, and it's a new cat toy. Oh, it's hot. Could use some water. Let's not waste the leftovers. Place it in the golden toilet, and your cat can have a drink. Ooh, shrimp too. Well, you've got a plastic bottle and some water, so bring it all together. Add a plastic container, and it's a water dispenser. Don't forget the snacks. Let's show the kitties their new home. Start with a drink and a light seafood lunch. Ooh, babies sure know how to live. Now squeeze in a nice cat nap. Come on, kitty. You're queen of this castle, so enjoy your throne. How about a snack? It's your favorite kibble. And try out your new toy. It's almost perfect. But I think both cats need one more thing. Each other. Aw, isn't that cute? Cat love is the best kind of love. Now they're all one big happy family. Put her there, pal. Ah, what a happy ending. Unfortunately, things aren't over yet. Looks like the cat catcher's on the prowl. And I think he's about to pounce.